Hi, another quick tutorial for Affinity Designer. I'm just going to show you how I put together a quick greetings card. It's much the same as Craft Artist, no big changes, so you probably know how to do this anyway. One thing I would like to show you first is if you come up to View, and come down, you'll see Show Rulers. For me, that's a very important thing to have. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move this marker. We've opened an A4 sheet. We're going to click on this line. You can see it's blue now, and that is just a marker. It won't show up. It will turn green when I hit the middle there. So now we know we have a front of the card and a back of the card if you were going to print it out as a whole greetings card. Personally prefer to make the card, do the decoupage and then stick it onto a card base, but of course that's everyone's personal taste. Okay, so we know where the center of our card is. I'm going to use an image that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Now I have two of them here. Just to show you, I cut out this part of the image by rasterizing, but that's for another day. So I cut out the image, I've resized it. I've also downloaded this from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to use that as a background for added depth. Okay, so come over to your rectangle tool, click on it, and I want my main color, which is the front circle, to be white, and the back circle with a hole in it is your background or your stroke color. So I'm going to draw a box just in a bit from the edge, and if you click on stroke, you'll see I have mine set on 3. It'll be set at 0 whenever you go into it, just the same as Craft Artist. You can change it by typing to it, just whichever you want yourself. Okay, so I have a box with a green margin now. I'm going to lift, you need to click on your selection tool, this green colour, and because I had it open before you arrived, it's gone to the back. So all I need to do is right click, arrange and move to front. And I'm perfectly happy with that, but you'll see there's a bit of it overhanging. Let it overhang some more just so you can see it. Just lift your crop tool and move in to the edge of your image, and that's your job done. Okay, I'm going to move it over a wee bit more, and now I'm going to bring the lady in. Now probably again, yes, it'll go underneath, so right click, arrange, move to front. I just think that's a lovely image. Now with this background, it's a wee bit in your face, so you could click on your transparency tool here and just move it a little bit, not too much. I think that's perfect. At this stage I would copy, right click copy, and then I would Control M and open another A4 sheet and edit paste, just in case you want to decoupage it sometime. And also I think I'll put a little tag on, and again rectangle tool, I'm going to just draw a little box, probably about that size, and I want my background colour that, but I also want my foreground colour, that colour as well. And I'm going to do my text by clicking on the A tool. And I'm just going to type love you mum. Make it a wee tiny bit bigger. Click on your pointer and move it. Now to put a drop shadow on, we come on to quick effects over here beside the layers and click on outer shadow. That will open a little menu, and if you scroll down you can adjust your drop shadow to whatever you want. Okay, now I'm going to draw a little box around both those things, and I'm going to group, and then I'm going to put an outer shadow again on the box itself, just for effect really, just to make it look. And I'm going to right click and copy it, and I'm going over to my new page and I'm going to paste. You can see it didn't group it properly, so that was really good, wasn't it? You can always hold down your A key if it's, yeah. I don't know why that's not. Try moving it. Yeah, that's it now. So edit, copy, edit, paste, and then you have that if you want to cut it out and stick it on. What I would do normally is duplicate everything, so go to layers, right click and duplicate, and do the same with your tag. You can copy and paste, or you can just duplicate. I have a tendency sometimes to ungroup and to remove the text, so I have a blank one as well, and you could do that as many times as you wanted. And then all we need to do then, if you want to keep that as a template, go File, Save As, and that'll save it as an Affinity tile for you, or File, Export, and save it as a JPEG. And that's all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it's helped for those who are a wee bit nervous, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.